Guys, when I say we've brought the rain with us, I am not kidding. It is currently Monday, so we've been here for Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 4 days, and we've had 1 day of sun, hence why I'm a little bit burnt. Adrian is too. You can't really see with the brightness, but I'm a bit red here. We're going to go and get sushi, I think, because the weather's just so bad that I just want coffee and sushi. What else are we going to do today?
Just chill, really.
Just chill in the house and get work done.
Yeah. We're going through to Ocean Basket, and then we'll just see what's happening that side. Sorry.
Oh yeah, we're going to this really cool place called Monte Casino, which looks like Monte Carlo, but it's all inside. So like as you walk around, the sky changes and there's like really cool buildings and stuff. So we're going there to get Wi-Fi and Ocean Basket. And then I think we're going to grab coffee there and take some really cool videos and stuff because it is really beautiful in there. I've just been sat watching YouTube videos all morning. Classic. So, I'm going to stop until you've got to the end of this road because I feel like it's just going to be like... We're heading to Sandton, which is kind of near Johannesburg today because we really need the Wi-Fi like I mentioned earlier, and another YouTuber, a guy called Tim Chung, I'll leave him linked down below. He basically said to us, just Google freelance work spots in the place you are, and it obviously will give you the best Wi-Fi locations. And I'm not gonna lie, I think he's actually a legend because now we have found really good Wi-Fi spots. So we're gonna go try a couple of them because they're really close together and just sort of see. That doesn't sound good.
What?
That sounded really bad then.
That was the car sliding. So we've come to Ocean Basket. Does it say it on the menu?
No.
Okay, it's basically like this really cool sushi restaurant. I just picked on it.
Don't say that bit again then.
It's basically this really cool like fish restaurants and everything. They like serve like some of the best sushi like ever.
Oh, we didn't get pink lemonade. Last time we came here they had really good pink lemonade.
Yeah. But yeah, we're about to smash some sushi. Right, so one thing Ocean Basket is known for is they literally stack your table with stuff. So we've got so much stuff on the table. Like there's the complimentary bread, my wine, grape juice, and Jess is having a latte.
Yeah, but we've got so much on this table that you literally can't like... There's just too much on the table.
She's stressing.
Because I don't like having so much mess.
Still super excited. Oh yes. Stuff is the best.
I want to take a picture. Can I have the camera?
Yeah, so basically we just got our food. Jess is waiting to take a photo of it. Sushi! Those are the best tasting things in the whole world. They're called salmon roses and they are just amazing. And Jess is busy taking photos.
Yummy! Hi, camera. This is a bit awkward. You just left me sat here with the camera.
What do you want?
Can I please get... I want coffee.
Want coffee?
Where's coffee? Hello. Can I get a frothy head?
Frothy head?
Can I get... yeah, can I get a cappuccino with soy milk?
Do you guys have soy milk?
Or like almond milk, anything? Almond milk. Just anything not dairy.
Almond. Okay, that's perfect.
Yeah.
got almond. So what do you want?
Can I have a almond milk cappuccino?
Almond milk cappuccino. Alright. And then I'm going to have light. Can I order with you?
Yeah.
Can I please get an almond milk cappuccino? And then a castle light, please. Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you.
Do we say where we are?
Yeah.
So we are currently in a little coffee shop which is called Warm and Glad, and it's really cool in here. It's kind of like your typical like hipster London coffee shop, really cool, and they have Wi-Fi, so we've come here to upload the video, and it's managed to upload in about 10 minutes instead of about 6 hours, which is kind of a miracle to be honest. So we've got 4 minutes remaining on the upload, just getting that up now, and then I think I might try and quickly upload a blog post while we're in here, maybe, because I've got to get one up for Sunday, so I might as well do it while we've got the Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
And then we're going to head probably back home in a bit. Yeah?
I feel like exploring more.
I feel like exploring more, but today
You want to explore
I was
more?
just Adrian. The only thing is that we have brought the weather with us, so it was absolutely chucking it down, like I mentioned this morning, so it's not the best weather-wise for like pictures and stuff, which is a shame, but we'll see. We'll see. As you've just seen, we went to this really cool little coffee place called Warm and Glad, and it's kind of like a really hipstery, like London kind of vibe, very much something you'd find in, where would I say, like maybe Soho or something. Really cool. So we just left, and the guy, well, I say the guy, basically a guy just came up to us and was like, oh, like, you do know that your tyre's flat? So me and Adrian are like, oh shit. So now we've got to try and fix the flat tyre, and that's going to be a load of fun. It's quite funny though, because you were laughing at your friend having a flat tyre yesterday, and now you've got one yourself, so it's a bit like karma for laughing at him.
Fair enough, fair enough.
But if you have lived in Johannesburg or know anywhere near Johannesburg that we could possibly get Wi-Fi, please let us know in the comments, because I know that a couple of you watching are from there or have been here, so it'd be really great to see where you come up with, because we need Wi-Fi. So there's a nail in the tyre, which is why it's gone flat, and there's 3 guys currently trying to fix it, because great. So current situation. My lips are blue from toothpaste, Jesus.
We're both dressed like absolute chops. Because we're going riding and we're going to...
Basically, guys, we're going to take the John Deere out, which is what you have probably seen a few times now, because let me show you the weather right now. It is chucking it down. So while you guys are having snow in England, while you've got sun in England, we have this. So we're going to go make the most of it. I was going to say it's stopping, but it's not. It's still chucking it down, so we're just going to go make the most of it, take the John Deere out, get covered in mud, and then come back and have a nice hot shower. So we'll see you in a bit. We're going to GoPro some stuff, so here you go. This is the aftermath of going on the John Deere in the rain.
Well, I wasn't actually covered in mud, but Jess put mud all over me.
I was covered, but it's all washed off because we just washed the thing off, but we're covered basically, so we're gonna have a quick shower and then go and have some food. So hungry.
So excited for what we made.
You're driving into a bush.
I'm trying to figure out where the drive-through is.
We have just been into town. I got my nails done, so instead of having the really long acrylics I had before, she basically just completely took them off and put gel on. And here they do it so much better. They don't do the really horrible like electric thing. They basically just file them really gently. She was so good. So yeah, I got these done at a place called Sorbet, which apparently is really good.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. May I take your order, please? May I take your order, please?
Hi there, can I please get a vanilla milkshake?
Nice.
Medium.
Yeah. Should we get Oreo McFlurry?
And then a... Is that how you should? No.
Yeah.
And then an Oreo McFlurry. Thank you so much.
Oh, watermelon. Oh, McDonald's here is so much better.
What? Because we get
careful of this woman. Careful of
I'm
this woman.
careful of her, don't worry.
Yeah, so I got my nails done and we are now heading to see Adrian's dad's.
Hello darling, how are you?
In a minute when we're not at a counter.
Thank you so much.
Can't really vlog right now. Okay, start again. We now have a McFlurry and a vanilla milkshake and we're going to see Adrian's dad's girlfriend and her kid. When I say kid, she's like 17, she's not really a kid.
Yeah,
but we're going to see them for a little bit and then I think we're going to try and get some food because this is going all over me. This is such a bad time to start vlogging. I can't even turn the camera off because I got it in the wrong hand. Hold that a sec. Okay, see you in a minute.
Still raining!
Yeah, it is still raining. We were about to go take pictures because it's the first day there's not been rain in about a week and then it started raining so we had KFC instead. We need to try and do pictures somehow.
We're going to, I'm taking this to a place called Cradle Health Spa. And it's like this really cool like little spa. It's like in amongst all these trees and it's all wooden and like thatched. And then it's got like these cool rock pools and everything, so it's gonna be quite cool.
Yeah, so we're gonna see if we can shoot there, but I don't think we'll be able to do it today.
Yeah, we'll
We just need to ask the question about shooting and see if they'll let us do it, because obviously we don't want to just rock up with a camera, so. I'm just frustrated with this weather. England has nice weather this week and we've basically brought the rain with us. I brought the rain to South Africa.
But South Africa needed rain. We're going through like a serious drought, so this is good.
Just not for us.
Not for us though, because we want sunshine.
Oh well. We'll catch up in a bit. We'll see what we end up doing. I might try and film a little bit of the spa place if they let us. Oh, I've just like messed my hair up. It's still bloody raining. It is still raining. We've decided to go and just upload some stuff today and do like a kind of admin-y day because of the weather. So that's basically the plan for the rest of the day. And I think we're gonna go try and head up to a, what are we heading up to?
It's a place called the O Pastorie. So, excuse my hair. It's called the O Pastorie, which basically is Afrikaans for the old, and then I don't actually know what Pastorie means, but I know that the O means the old. But now I'm just babbling nonsense.
But basically
it
cool. Looks really cool, so we're going to see if we can get up there, but it is still tracking it down, so we're not really sure what's going to happen in terms of content. Have just shot an outfit picture because I thought we might as well, we're outside the house and it looks quite nice, so I don't know what else to update you on. Today, this week has just been written off in our books, I think.
What's up, Johannesburg? My name is Marty Gang, so you guys ready to go crazy? Please let me make some noise!